Hello everybody. In today's class we shall learn about determiners in a tabular form. So I have taken only the crucial determiners which we use in our everyday lives. So as you can see, there are 4 columns and 8 rows. So column 1 is for types of determiners, column 2 is for examples of types of determiners, column 3 is for modifiers, and the last column is for nouns. And just below the types of determiners we have the names of the determiners, that is articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, numbers, distributives, and lastly interrogatives. I have just given this tabular form without writing complete sentences. This is just for your understanding, okay? So just ignore the fact that these are not complete sentences. So articles, the example of article is the, modifier is old, and the noun is market. So as the word the comes before a word which begins with a vowel sound, we will pronounce it as the old market. So what kind of market? Old. So here the modifier is an adjective and it defines a noun or modifies the noun market. So when I have used the definite article the, it means I am talking about a particular or specific market. Next is demonstratives. These poor people. These, as you can see, is the determiner. It is the example of demonstrative determiners. Poor is the modifier, which again is an adjective, and people is the noun. So in the first example, market is a singular noun, but in our second example, people is a plural noun. Next we have the possessives. Example of possessive determiner is are, modifier is teachers, and the noun is chair. So here, as it is a possessive determiner, obviously there will be an apostrophe attached to it. So here we have added the apostrophe after the word teacher. So in this case the word teacher is a singular noun and chair is also a singular noun. So when we use possessives, you should remember one thing: whether it is a possessive pronoun or possessive determiner, we cannot use possessives for non-living objects. Like we generally say, what is the mobile's price? This is wrong. Grammatically we have to say what is the price of the mobile. The fan's blade, it is wrong. The blade of the fan is correct. The chair's leg is wrong. We have to say the leg of the chair, and so on. Coming to the next, it is the quantifiers. So here the quantifier is an entire phrase we have a lot of. The modifier is talented and the noun is painters. Painters is a plural noun. Talented is modifying the plural noun painters, and which in turn is an adjective. And quantify, it tells us that there are many talented painters. We don't know how much, but a lot of. Coming to the next, numbers. 10 red roses. So this is a specific number 10. So I taught you in my earlier classes, 10 is a cardinal number and we can count it also, that's why it is cardinal. So what is the modifier here? Red. Red is a color. So always all the colors will be adjectives. How many roses? 10. So here roses is a plural noun. And when we want to ask question, what kind of rose? Red rose. So the word red is modifying the plural noun roses. And how many exact number? 10. Coming to the next, distributives. So the example of distributive determiner is both. Modifier is steel, nouns is plates. So here steel is not a noun, it is an adjective because it is telling us about the plates. What kind of plates? Steel plates. So here the word plates is a noun, which in turn is a plural noun. Lastly we have the interrogatives. So as you can know from the name itself, interrogative means asking questions. So which new planet? Which is the example of interrogative determiners. New is the modifier, noun is the planet. It is a singular noun plus a common noun. Okay, so all the nouns which I have used here belonging to the set of common nouns, but there are variations in the numbers. Some are singular and some are plural. Market, chair, these all are singular. Painters, roses, these all are plural, and so on. So I hope you have liked this determiners, how we learned through a tabular form, and it will help in your better understanding. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.